In the world of e-commerce, building a customized online shop can be challenging, but with customer intelligence, it's never been easier. Our enterprise-grade application leverages AI models, which will help you build your content strategy based on your customer's intent or behavior. You can manage multiple stores from one app and show your products to customers at the right place and the right time. Customer intelligence comes with a wide range of product recommendation AI models, including upsells, cross-sells, new arrivals, and much more. You can place these recommendation widgets anywhere on your site, such as home, product, or add to cart page. But that's not all. With customer intelligence, you can style your website with multiple designs, such as carousels, menu items, featured blocks, and more. Best of all, you can build targeted data-driven recommendations in just 3 easy steps. And with real-time performance tracking, cost-effective fixed pricing plans, and no overage or hidden cost, customer intelligence is the perfect solution for businesses of all sizes. Sign up today for free and experience the power of customer intelligence for yourself.